22, the first sentence tells us that the public believes falsely that science can solve any problem. Scientists do solve problems, but the reason they solve them, according to this passage, is that they are selecting the problems. So they are choosing which problems they want to work on, and that makes it easier for them to solve those problems. If they weren't choosing so narrowly which problems they'd solve, they wouldn't solve them all. And we know they wouldn't solve them all because the public falsely believes that science is capable of solving all these problems. Falsely believes that on the basis that science only solves the narrow band of problems that they themselves have chosen, or the problems selected by politicians and business leaders that we guided them in forming. So scientists would probably have a lower success rate. The public falsely believes that science can solve every problem. They'd have a lower success rate if they didn't get to choose the problems that they're solving. So here's the deal with these free videos. They're intended to serve a very narrow purpose. For those times when you're wondering, why is that the right answer? You can just come here for a complete library and find out why it was the right answer. And I hope that you'll find that it was very instructive. Of course, the other part of the deal is that since LSAT publishes all of their tests along with test keys, that means that there's no barrier to entry for test prep. And you can hear the air quotes, I hope. Anybody can, and lots of people have, set up shop and call themselves test prep companies. And they've got the questions, they've got the answer keys, and they just try to explain to you why the right answer is right. And then they charge you money for it? That is wrong. I want to put a stop to it. I want to sweep the legs right out from under them. It is bad for you. It's bad for me too. So if you want to know what the right answer is and why the right answer is right, I want you to be able to come here and find it out for free without paying anybody for it. That's very different from what I do in the paid course. What I think has value about what I do is that I can tell you ahead of time what every question wants from you, what to expect from the right answer, how to formulate a right answer, and then how you can expect wrong answers to sound, so that you know before you ever open up a test book exactly what to expect. And all the practice videos that are part of the paid course are just me putting that theory into practice. It's just the rubber meeting the road. In other words, I'm going to show you, based on what we've done before, how we're going to react when it comes up next time. And that bit, knowing what to do the next time you see something, that I think is worth paying for. And if you agree, I'd love to have you in the course. And if not, that's fine too. Don't pay anybody to explain why right answers are right. Just watch these for free. Enjoy.